Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get straight to it. In today's video you will find out how the price of Bitcoin has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA, divergence and stochastic RSI are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the Bitcoin hourly time frame, the price moved quickly to the downside with around 4.8% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $41,766. However, the volume wasn't especially high, so this move wasn't very strong. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 100 SMA, will play as resistance or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 43,246. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Moving to the hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 43,329. The resistance should be considered because the ribbon is more or less spread out. Searching for divergence in the hourly time frame, owing to the bearish divergence, the price has already gone down. Moving to the hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are currently very low, which means that the price is oversold and a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation is to be expected. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so you should wait to see if the trend will actually change to the upside. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 50 SMA downwards. It's a strong signal that there has been a higher than average volume. At the moment, the price is between the 200 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 40,274, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 43,002 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price went below the 3-hourly ribbon, so you should wait to see if the price will jump back above the ribbon or it will act as a resistance to the upside, which is at around 43,076 at the moment. Jumping to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, the crypto is being oversold because both the %K and %D lines are currently very low. This means that we can expect a change in the trend, or for the crypto can remain at least stable for some time. You should wait to see if the trend will in fact go up because the K line has yet to cross the D line. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is between the 50 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 41,724, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 47,944 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the daily ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 43,169. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Jumping to the daily stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time, but the %K line is below the %D line, which means the current trend is on the downside. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions as cryptocurrency trading is very risky and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.